Okay, so I don't see any videos about how to use this rice cooker, so I'm going to let you know. So this was like 20 bucks. This is the Proctor Silex, as you can see. So on warm, when you want to cook something, okay, you flip this down to cook. So this is just some Omega rice. All right, some Omega rice is from Dollar Tree. It's white rice. I like to have this and some orange chicken sauce with some boneless, skinless chicken wings. So, all right, so you're going to combine 1.5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon salt. That's optional. Okay, so this is the most important part right here, is to combine 1.5 cups of water and 1 teaspoon salt. Then to add the 1 cup of Omega white long grain enriched rice. That's the main part. So let's go ahead and do that. So inside, it's going to have these things right here, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to fill it up to just like it said, 1.5. On the right side is the cup side. There's a 1, then there's a half mark, and there's a 2. Fill this thing up to 1.5. So all we're going to do. Put it on something level. That's close enough. 1.5. Cool. Now what you're going to do, put that on in there. You got your rice, and it say 1 cup of Omega rice. So get your cup out. All right. Put this in there. Now, I don't like all that starch that be coming off of here. I don't like that for real. So I be washing off this rice. Like, I like my rice to be like nice and white and without anything messing with it. Like the starch or the cloudiness or whatever's in this stuff. I don't know. Alright, so after you do that, you're going to go ahead and rinse it off. Or not. But for the sake of this video, for simple stuff, we're just going to dump it in. We're just going to do exactly what it's saying. Here it is. That's it. Now, the lid that come with it got this little hole right here. So, what that's going to do, it's going to stir this up. See the cloudiness? I think that's starch or something. Maybe it's to prevent it from sticking. I'm not too sure, but anyway, it's got this hole right here. What you're going to do, you're going to put it on there. You're going to press this down. It's going to say cook. It's going to be about 27 minutes for me. Now, this is going to get messy. Stuff's going to come out of here. It's going to bubble. Leave it alone. Don't keep opening it, letting the steam out. It's going to take forever if you do that. Just let it bubble. It's going to bubble all to the top. And stuff's going to come out of here. It's going to be a mess, but it's going to go back in. It's not going to spill over. Okay? Then this is going to flip to warm when it is done. When it's done, don't be leaving it in there like you could do with a crock pot or like a slow cooker. It's not the same. It will eventually dry out. Okay? Because warm is like real warm. Like steaming. So you don't want this to get too dry. And that's how you basically make this. Just let it bubble. You can stir it, but go ahead and put your timer on 27 minutes. Wait till this thing flips on warm. Leave the lid alone. Don't keep opening it. Stir it like once or twice in that 27 minutes. Leave it alone. It'll flip to warm when it's done. All the water will be boiled out. And you can stir it up. Whatever. By the way, the rice will taste really plain if you don't put salt in it. So we will do a teaspoon of salt. And let me tell you something. You can mess up on that. So be very careful. Oh, let's see. I've messed up before with the whole salt thing, and it sucked. Anyway, because once the rice soaks up the salt, it's pretty much over with. And that's it right there. I'm not even joking around. Like, as a matter of fact, we ain't even doing that much. We're going to do this much. It does a lot better with the taste when you have some added salt. Just a tiny bit more. That's it. Forget having this stuff taste as salty as it did last time. But I also don't want it to have no taste, like when I didn't put anything in here. So, put this back on there. 27 minutes, let it be done. All right, good job. You guys can do it too. That's how you use this and make this rice in this $20 rice cooker. Thanks for watching.